Hey there, BD people. I just did something kind of fun and easy today. I thought I would share it as a tip for everybody. First of all, I got to say that I'm not a coder. I don't know how to code things. But using ChatGPT, I was able to do something pretty quick and easy today. So this is my directory, and use blog posts to draw traffic. And I wanted to put an ad right here, this ad. But I thought, it's just kind of an ordeal to figure out, to customize your own ad and how to put it in there and everything like that. So here's what I did. It's pretty simple. Went over to Vista Create, which is kind of like Canva. But I have a free copy of this, so it's good for me. So I just kind of whipped together a quick ad. I'm actually working on redesigning my logo, but anyway, whipped up a quick ad. I saved it out, and then I went to Short Pixel. I guess I could show that. I use Short Pixel to squish all the sizes of everything to make sure they're nice and small before I upload them. It's a little tedious, but it's a good idea. So I made this, I downloaded it. Then I went to the BD. I'm not going to click through there because I don't want to make this video too long. But I went to the Media Manager and I uploaded the file, right? Just go to the Media Manager, upload the file that I just created. Okay, since I don't know code, I use ChatGPT. I told it this: write the HTML code for an ad that measures 300 by 600 pixels, and the image is hosted here. Okay, that's the link to the hosted ad over on the Media Manager. Okay, and you can go in there and get that link very easily. The ad should be centered, and when it is clicked, redirect people to my join page, which is right here. And then I said, also add a light border around the image. I clicked it, or, I sent it over to ChatGPT. It took me 2 times, and it sent me this code. And again, I'm not a coder. I know a little bit about code, just enough to be dangerous. Copy the code, come over here to the widgets, where we're in the widget manager, and I've already pasted it, but it's right here. Just paste it right from ChatGPT. Make sure you change it. Name the widget as you would like to name it. And then come back over and boom, there's your ad. Centered line around the content that I created on Vista Create. And then when you click it, it goes to my join page. So just wanted to share that with you guys, and it's a pretty helpful little tip for me to save me some time and not have to think too much about coding and how to write the embed code and everything like that. So hope you're having a great day. Take care and keep going with your business, and good luck with your Brilliant Directory.